Hey there, it's me. So my next goal with this Jackery was to show me using it in the way I actually want to use it. Which may sound weird. Most people would get the Jackery because of power outages, hurricanes, all that. Mine was kind of twofold. One, my future goal is for us to live on more property and me to actually have some type of alternate electrical options. So right now, this has all been about learning about it. Second of all, if you've watched my videos, you know I have electrical issues, especially in my garage. So I'm not able to run a table saw or a chop saw and the shop vac and lights and a fan, all of that. It pops the breaker because I only have one true outlet out here. So my goal with the Jackery was to actually run my shop vac and my box fan that used to help filter things on the Jackery so that I could just run the table saw or the chop saw on the actual outlet so I could accomplish more in my shop. Because one of my other goals also is to learn about Etsy and have a few products on Etsy and maybe do some side hustle that way, eventually, you know, get more into that too. I'm going to show you my setup that I have for the Jackery. I also took some other videos of me trying out different equipment. First, I'm going to show me testing the different equipment out and which equipment did I find will work on the Jackery, which ones pop it. Okay, so that's what we're going to do next. Is I'm going to show you which equipment works and which ones don't. So we're gonna run the Craftsman planer, which says, I don't know if you can see that, 120 volt AC. So I'm gonna take this and plug it into here. So we have to hit the AC button. The fan turned on for just a second. That's it. So right now, and nothing plugged into it, it's still taking 1 to 2 watts. So that must be like it's just resting, what do they call that? Like vampire kind of stuff. Like when you leave, like your charger's plugged in and stuff. Okay, so I've got it plugged in. Now let's see if this can do basic hand planer. Really hoping. This way. Okay. So that's the display. And I'm turning on the planer. I don't know what to do this better. Okay, this is the true test. This is what I want to run on this more than anything. I cannot run my table saw and my shop vac at the same time. It pops the breakers. So this says that it's 120 volts, 60 hertz, 10 amps. I'm going to turn you back to the Jackery. There you are. Zoom. Okay, so this is my Ryobi. See, Ryobi 10-inch saw. I'm gonna try plugging it in. Okay, so now we're gonna turn on the saw. Maybe. Nope. Okay, so we know.
When you turned it on, it spiked up to 492 watts.
Yeah, but it's actually 1,000. Okay, we gotta reset it. Okay.
Currently says it has a small amount of output.
Yeah, it always does. Okay, second try with Ryobi chop saw. Nope. Okay, hopefully you can see this. I'm gonna run the shop vac on the Jackery so I can run the table saw because I'm gonna be doing a project for my wife. So I'm gonna set that all up